Today we're going to show how to use one of our getting started recipes. This one we're going to fork the view recipe. This will not only add it to my Fathym dashboard, but also to my GitHub. So here's the site on my Fathym dashboard, and here it is up in my GitHub. Back in Fathym, I can launch this and we can see what it looks like just right out of the gate using the default recipe. So here's the site. And now I can take this into Visual Studio and make some edits to it. I'm making a photo gallery. So here's all my photos in here. Now I can push this to GitHub, and now I can come into Fathym and I can unpack the latest. This will update to the latest version in GitHub. Now I can launch my site, and here's the new version of my site.